Welcome back to another episode of Bit Size Tech. Today we're going to be talking about more of our Create Space tools that you can use here at the library. Today we're going to be talking about both kinds of our 3D printers, both the filament-based 3D printer and the resin-based 3D printer. So first I'm going to really kind of talk about the resin-based 3D printer because that one is our highest resolution printer that you can print on here at the library. So meaning higher resolution means you can print stuff out like this Eiffel Tower at pretty good, decent detail, and more like game pieces and stuff like that that require maybe a little bit more resolution if you would like it. So with that, how the process for that resin printer works is that there is a UV laser underneath the vat of resin, which is complete utter liquid at this point, and as the resin gets hit by that UV laser, it will cure onto the build plate that kind of goes up and down and dives into the pool of resin. So it will keep going up and down until it's done being hit by that UV laser. It will cure. We wash it and then we let it dry on our really nice, clean, and cure station that we have here at the library that you can take and just go ahead and wash here and there. So if you're interested in using that, that's something that you can do here. If you're also interested in our filament-based 3D printer, which essentially uses more things like, is more meant for things like this fidget toy that you can actually print in one piece and move and spin. You will actually be able to use that. Same with this llama. And it's also more food safe compared to our resin. The resin is not necessarily a food safe option to print on. The filament printer, on the other hand, you can actually print food safe things for. So like this cookie cutter of the leg lamp from the Christmas Story. We can make that kind of stuff here at the library. If you have any interest in using either one of our printers, feel free to call us here at the library and we will definitely help you with that. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.